All this week in our read alouds, we are going to focus on summarizing. What is a summary? A summary is a shortened version of the story. It retells all of the important parts of the story. So imagine that you're going to tell your friend about something that you just saw that was super cool. You wouldn't try to tell them every single little detail because not only would it be way too long, they may not understand exactly what you're trying to tell them. They won't understand all of the really cool parts. And so you want to give them only the main important parts of what happened. So the same thing in books. So the way that we're going to summarize is using what is called BME, beginning, middle, and end. This also goes along with that somebody wanted, but so then, the little hand that we used. So in the beginning, we're going to be introduced to the characters, what is the setting, and what is the problem. So all of that will happen in the very beginning of the story. So this is our somebody in wanted. In the middle, we will have the events that happened to the characters and what the climax of the story is. And remember, the climax is the highest point of the story. It's the most exciting point. It is where the story starts to take a turn. And then we have in the end, how's the problem resolved and how do the characters change? So keep these in mind as we are doing our read aloud today. We are going to be reading the fable, The Fisherman and His Wife. And on the next slide, you're going to give me a prediction. What do you think this fable is going to be about?